Get ready to discover StudyFetch.com, where advanced AI tools take your learning to the next level. From instant note creation to real-time tutoring, this platform is designed to help you excel effortlessly. Let's explore how StudyFetch can make your study sessions more productive and engaging. Notes AI. Tired of spending hours taking notes? With StudyFetch's Notes AI, you can create detailed notes from your course material in just seconds. Simply upload your content, and let the AI do the rest. It's like having a personal note-taker, ensuring you never miss important details again. Flashcards AI. Studying made simple. Flashcards AI allows you to create flashcards from your course material with a single click. No more manual typing or organizing. Just upload your notes, and instantly get a set of flashcards tailored to help you study smarter and faster. Quizzes AI. Want to test your knowledge before the big exam? Quizzes AI helps you create customized quizzes directly from your course material. Practice makes perfect, and with these personalized quizzes, you'll be ready to ace any test with confidence. Spark AI. Meet Spark E, your personal AI tutor, available 24/7. Whether you're stuck on a difficult concept or need help with your homework, Spark E is here to provide real-time assistance. Chat with Spark E anytime and get instant, easy-to-understand explanations. Spark E Visuals. Have a question about a diagram or picture in your notes? Spark E Visuals lets you ask specific questions about images, helping you understand complex visuals with ease. Just upload the image, ask your question, and get immediate answers to enhance your learning. Record Live Lecture. Imagine attending a lecture without having to worry about taking notes. With StudyFetch, you can. Just focus on listening, and the AI will automatically record the lecture and take notes for you. It's like having an extra set of ears in the classroom, capturing every detail. Essay Grader. Need feedback on your essays? The Essay Grader feature not only grades your work but also provides personalized feedback and suggestions for improvement. It's like having your own writing coach, helping you refine your skills and achieve better grades. Tutor Me. Struggling with a topic? The Tutor Me feature lets Spark E teach you an entire lecture on your course material. From start to finish, you'll get a comprehensive understanding of the subject, just as if you had a personal tutor by your side. In a world where every moment counts, StudyFetch.com gives you the tools to make the most of your learning journey. Try it out and see how easily you can elevate your academic performance with the power of AI.